Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and this is my fuel tank for my motorcycle, but I have the one that I showed you before, this one, and I have some of the problem here. I have fuel leak from this side, as you may see from this part, and I have the other one over here. I just need to get rid of the rust inside and I need to paint it to a similar color. And I will show you the method, the way how to get rid of the rust inside the fuel tank very fast. Let's look inside, by the way. I'm draining the fuel right now. Some of the fuel is there. And probably, come on, focus. So here's the rust. It's very rusty inside. And I have the special thing for it to get rid of the rust. Well my friends, here I have the orthophosphoric exit. As you can see, it's a yellowish color, but it may be purely clean. And also I have this cap and I have the rusty bolt like this, and I'll show you the effect of this exit just right now. Let's see it more closer, my friends. Hopefully you can see it, the reaction, some bubbles there. You see the exit is working. Alright, now we have water, clean water, and the exit. Here we go. I'll put some water here. Not too much because I have some of the fuel left in this fuel tank. And let's go. That's it, my friends. Alright my friends, quite bad news for me. No reaction inside, but I have the other variant. The very simple lemon exit. The exit that you use for cooking, for baking, for everything. And we'll put it to our fuel tank and let's see what happens. Guys, what I need now is lemon exit, lots of lemon exit, and I need water and I need this kettle. So we're gonna pour the water inside the kettle like this. Drop lots of lemon exit inside. Alright guys, one more. I don't know guys whether you can see, but the reaction now is ongoing. As you can see, we have some bubbles there. So I think we should just wait for some time and then everything should be alright. And later on I'll put the layer of epoxy resin here. It's fuel proofed, so benzene proofed, and it will cover all around inside. It will create some kind of thin layer of the resin and it will prevent the fuel tank from rust in the future. So we'll try this one. And also I have some stones here and I'll put them in the fuel tank. They're big enough, they won't block any of the fuel lines. So let's go. Alright guys, from what you may see and what I may see, I think it's enough to do it. I think it's more or less okay. This is just the rubbish, it will went off. And yeah, nice fuel tank, and it's time to get rid of this exit now. Alright my friends, I have fuel tank over here, I have bucket here, and it's time to arrange the fuel valve. This is the drain from the fuel tank, and this exit is going there. Perfect. You see my friend, this is coming from this fuel tank. It's terrible. It's dark brown color. And now we need our kettle again, some water and baking soda. Baking soda will help us to get rid of the exit. It will neutralize the exit. So let's start. Let's pour some water here. Alright guys, the kettle is ready and let's continue with soda. Ah! Come on. Alright, and this goes to the fuel tank. I'm not expecting the same reaction, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah, nice. And that will neutralize the exit inside the fuel tank. So it's a chemical reaction between soda and exit. We have some of the bubbles. And now we just need water, water and water. Continue to go with the water and clean this tank inside. Alright my friends, then the water is clean inside the bucket. Open this, everything of the valves here. Make sure they are not blocked. Okay, and now my friends, we need to dry out our fuel tank because there is some water, maybe still. Yes, it is there, I can feel it. So just put it like this. Have a fan if you have it. And just put it inside. And it will dry out the fuel tank. And meanwhile we need to start the fire. Here's our oven on propane. So that's our oven. And here's some water. And we need to open our epoxy resin. So I should open it right now. Put everything inside and let it stay like this. And don't forget about the epoxy resin hardener. It should contain, the mixture should contain 20% of this, of the hardener, and the rest 80% is epoxy resin itself. Alright my friends, I think it's too much of hardener here since my screwdriver is stuck. Alright. So it's stuck and I cannot do anything. It's just stuck now. Maybe I put too much of hardener there. Ugh. Or maybe guys, it's not a good idea because this kind of particles, they can block the fuel line here inside your lines, the fuel lines. So it was a good idea from one side, but now I can see that what doesn't kill us make us stronger. Guys, I have the other solution, and solution is that we need to block all the holes now. And it's time for the oil, and this oil is from my Honda VTX engine. It will fit us. See, it's very brown, probably you may see it. And let's pour it there. Not a lot, but you need some of it there. Let's go with the fuel and shake it. It won't get rusty, believe me. Well my friends, I hope you like this video, and I'm also waiting for your comments down below, so don't hesitate to write your comments. And next time I'll paint my fuel tank and I'll install it on my Sidecar Dnepr 16 motorcycle, and we're gonna go to the motorcycle festival. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great time.